What's going on, guys? It's Garrett Henderson, your electrician friend and mentor. So, guys, here is the website that's been updated for our verified electrician program. This is how you're going to sign up now. So, I'm actually doing a screen recording from my phone so you can see exactly what will happen when you're ready to sign up. So if we look at the screen from the beginning, you're going to see book now, call now, okay? That's going to go directly to you from your area, okay? Remember, the leads that are going to be generated from this website go directly to you. Either the customer will call you directly, and it's your customer to follow up to win or lose. No one's going to call you up and say, hey, did you follow up with so-and-so? Or, hey, if you can't make it, we're going to send it to someone else. No. You paid for a zip code. That's your territory. So if when you're ready to sign up, you're going to scroll down to the sliding banner here, and you're going to click on it, which I'm going to click right now, which is going to bring you to the Electrician Partner Program sign-up form. And you can see how you're going to fill it out. Now, whatever information you add on this is the information that's going to be let out to the world. So if you don't want your cell phone to ring, if you have a company number or you have a call forwarding to an answering service, whatever number you want, that's the number you need to put in here. So you're going to put your name, your email, your phone number, your registered company name, and your contact address. Now, again, that address is going to be wherever you are, so we can confirm that you're Google verified, and the customer will see that. And now it's also going to say, what zip code would you like to apply for? So we're not just going to use your zip code from your address, because I'm already getting messages, people want multiple zip codes. So the zip codes are going to go fast, especially in the more metropolitan and popular areas. So you're going to be able to click on that, and you're going to enter in as many zip codes as you want. I don't know if you can do that. Let me see if I click on it. Of course, that brought my personal stuff up. Okay, what zip code you want to apply for. So let me go back. Now, you're also going to be asked to add a company picture or logo. All right, attach files. Take your time on this. Send a good picture. Work on it now. Have your wife, your brother, your sister, someone take your picture with a good camera. Look the part. Don't wear sunglasses. Smile. I mean, don't look daunting. Look like you're approachable. And it'd be great if you have your logo behind you and your phone number and everything behind you. And if you hold your phone up like a selfie, sometimes those are reversed. So this is how you're going to attach the file. So we finally got it updated. And now this is how anybody in the United States will be able to sign up. And now I've been being able to almost immediately reply. It says you will be contacted within 72 hours, because look, there's a lot going on, okay? And I am, and my son is, we are personally entering in all the information. We're not leaving it up to a third party. We're not paying anybody to do this. We're taking all the proceeds and we're going to use it to go towards your zip code. Your fee is going to go towards your zip code. Okay? So that way you can instantly start getting leads. This is super, super exciting. So you'll be hearing a lot from us. Again, this is what the website looks like. All right. Now, I know it says Henelect right there. Okay? We can get rid of that. I don't want my company to be the face of this, all right? That stuff will be removed. This site will be dedicated only to the network and evchargerfast.com. I operate my company under Henelect LLC. All my leads will come into me. All your leads will come into you. This is not a scam. This is not a money grab. I'm not trying to pull the wool over anybody's eyes. And from the response I'm getting, I'm honored that you guys have the faith in us to do this. And I feel sorry for Angie leads, guys. So this is what the site will look like. You click on it. Your customers will see this, first name, last name. They'll fill this part out. We talk about what type of residence is it. There's everything is in here. Are you the owner of the property? Are you the tenant, right? All the stuff is inside this app array because we've already been doing this for a while. So we also have, if you look at info, and then we have, do I have to slide over? I don't know. Photos. I have to, next. Let's see. Okay, well, it's not doing it because I didn't enter any information, but you can see up here it says one, contact, info, photographs, reviews, because you always want to ask a customer for a review. Hey, were you satisfied with EV Charger Fast Network? Were you satisfied with Joe Smith Electric? Again, this is your company. You're operating the same as you are. This is just a lead generation service for you using our founding domain name and the logos. And if you look at the van, there's no phone number on the van. And if anybody's interested in the wraps that we have, they're free. They're for all subscribers. I have them designed. They're already made for the Ford E-Transit. So if you have a regular E-Transit, they can be modified for any other type of van. You don't have to do it. Maybe we can come up with some magnets or something, but we're not trying to brand you, okay? We're just trying to get you leads. And we also, let's see if Chris put it on here, PDF forms. If electrician plan. Okay, so we're going to have PDF forms on here, guys. And they're going to be it's going to be a list for estimating. And it's going to say what size service, underground, overhead. Is it in the basement? Is it in the garage? Is it in the laundry room? What type of EV are you getting? What type of EV charging rate do you want? The maximum that you're normally going to do is 48 amps. That's on a 60 amp breaker, 48 amps. Now, if you get into these Ford Lightning chargers, then it's 80 amps is the maximum. So that's going to be on a 100 amp breaker. So there's not as many of those, but we're here to help you with that. So let's concentrate on like the Tesla wall connectors, or a charge point. These are the most popular ones that you're going to install. We can train you on the new NACS, which is the Tesla connector versus the CCS connector, right? So we have experience in all of that. So sorry to take up all your time, but this is what you can expect when you sign up with the Electrician Partner Program at evchargerfast.com. It's Garrett Henderson. If you subscribe, you'll be hearing from me often. See you later.